How to mute notification on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to mute notification on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To mute notification on Signal, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, go to the chat you want to mute. This can be a one-on-one or group conversation. Tap on the name at the top of the chat to open the settings. Then tap on mute notification. A menu will appear with options like 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or always. Choose how long you want to mute that chat, and it will silence notification for that certain period. You can still receive messages, they won't buzz or pop up. To unmute, go back to the same menu and tap on it. If you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on the channel for full guidance. That's it guys, that's how you're going to mute notification on Signal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.